Meghalaya Filmmakers Association negasngi ka pratrek unaitung ka Rakhe ya ka Jingdap Snem nado bala Seng ka halar konong rem bantre na ka banta ka bha kamian chungki kan hon chna film hagani ka jala Meghalaya banwan ra ya ka jingtli hapdeng jongki bar ban kan te ka kam chna film ya ka ni ka jing Rakhe negasngi la pelong hasoso tham auditorium Shillong ha ka balai dan langru UMLA jong ka pantharam khra constituency uba AL hak balalong kongsan ha ka jingilang kat ba UMLA ka nong thamai constituency uba Gemino motho rolong sambot kongsan hakani ga jing Rakhe hakani ga sngi lawani simenta de kinong shna film bakan thop ki producer ki director ki ting shop ki puran bat kinong ruai ki jing ruai na ka benta ki film ba pher hakani ga sngi la penbernya ki nong wani simenta hakani ga jing Rakhe da ki jing sha ba ki jing ruai da ki kin hon ba pher ba ka jing pen iru ki promo jing ki film khasi ki ban supply paj ba no shen haki cinema hall.
The film Khasi local films or any other films, regional films, of course we know we have very limited. But nobody stop you to go out of boundary. Nobody stop you out of boundary. How do you go out of boundary? It is you have to be professional yourself. You have to be men's business. If you are not men's business, you cannot go out of the box. You cannot go out of boundary. Today when I'm talking about the Bollywood movie, they are not only within the boundaries of India. They are now very popular. If we talk about Europe, we talk to any other states, the Bollywood movies is very popular. You have to create that atmosphere. As long as you cannot create that atmosphere, people are not worship you. You have to be idol worship. You have to make yourself an idol that people will worship you. As long as you cannot create that platform to yourself, don't expect people will just go to see your movie. Our viewers, you have to inculcate the taste and the enthusiasm to the viewers.